Realme Buds Q finally arrived. Are you guys excited? We're gonna do a latency test today, and also stay tuned until the end of the video because I'm gonna do a giveaway and I'll explain it to you there. Okay, let's get to the intro. Selamat pagi. Good morning everyone, Kenneth here, and today, yes, this is the Realme Buds Q, but no, this is not the one I ordered by myself a month ago. So yes, I have spent twice, like I bought this twice. If the winner of the giveaway is in Indonesia, then I will give them my AliExpress one. Then if not, you know what, I'll draw two winners and one of them is in Indonesia and one of them is the international one. Anyway, yeah, Realme Buds Q. I think this is slightly cheaper, right, than the Realme Buds Air Neo. And let's see what is the feature here first. So we have a 20-hour battery life. I think that's with the case, right? So that's not too long. Also 10mm drivers inside for an in-ear earbuds. We're gonna see if this is very bass heavy or not. And also we have 119 millisecond super low latency. Most likely it will use the same R1 chip inside the Buds Air Neo and Buds Air. It won't perform at 120 millisecond, at least in games. So yeah, let's get right into the unboxing. Okay, this is not your usual like iPhone kind of box. This is like more like a standard box. Okay, pull tab there, pretty nice. All right. Actually, this unboxing experience is slightly better than the Buds Air Neo for some reason. Okay, let's take that out. I can't take that out. Pull tab. Okay, long press 5 seconds for pairing. Yeah, I'm gonna pull that out. All right. See what do we have here. Realme, that's really nice branding right there. And micro USB. So yeah, don't expect too much because this is like kind of a pretty cheap earbuds. But definitely the materials used are okay-ish. Pebble-like design, yeah. Let's see what else is inside the box. And we can see there's a very short micro USB cable that doesn't match the color of the case. That's interesting. And also we have a oh, that's completely sealed and I have to rip it off. Okay, but that looks good. It has that two-tone look just like the MPAL T5, but this one is yellow and black, and the black is kind of translucent there. Okay, that looks good quality. That looks like good quality. Gonna check out the manual real quick.
15 minutes later.
So yeah, actually this is not much different from the Buds Air Neo because the touch control is also the same. It starts with 2 taps. There's nothing on 1 tap. You can check it out right here. I'll put it up here. And also to activate gaming mode, you need to hold both earbuds for 2 seconds. Again, just like the Buds Air Neo. Let's see the earbuds itself here. Okay, peel the film off. Okay, all right. So we have like kind of a glossy on matte texture there, so you can feel it where it detects touch and where it doesn't, but it doesn't look too premium. I don't know, like I don't really like this kind of design for some reason because it's just like a small oval egg shape R logo on top of like a very big egg there, and it's not symmetrical. I don't know, but anyway, maybe the design will grow on me. I don't know honestly, but yeah, let's try and pair this to my phone. So far we've got one LED in the front here, but I don't think that does anything right now. I think this is out of charge. Let me charge it for a bit. All right, so I'm back in charging, and you can see there the LED is lighting up red. Actually, there's a little bit of, you know, glossy accent there put on this side, on the rims there, and that makes it look pretty premium. So yeah, gotta give props to Realme on that, to put like that much detail into the earbuds. But let's try put this to pairing mode. So I have to put this, press for 5 seconds. Should I put it inside the box or outside the box? It doesn't seem like to turn on. This ear tips, it's okay, but not my favorite. It's making sound like ding, 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 but I don't see anything for now. Does this support Google Fastpair, by the way? I'm not so sure. Ear tips are pretty good and they fit pretty well, but it's definitely different than your usual fit of like the Redmi AirDots. It doesn't appear, so let me hold for 5 seconds inside the case. No LEDs. By the way, one more thing. Doesn't have a hole in the bottom of the earbuds. It's on the side here, so I'm not sure. Usually the earbuds that has microphones on the side don't perform very well on call test, but we're gonna find out later in its full review. Okay, today we're just gonna test the latency. And okay, this is in pairing mode. You can see there Realme Buds Q, and right now it's pairing. Okay, it's still making noises like ding, and finally dung dung. Now it is connected on AAC. And by the way, this only supports SBC and AAC. Let's try and put some songs here. And okay, what volume we're at? 60%. Okay, let's say at 100. Yeah, it's pretty loud. It gets pretty loud. I think the 10mm driver here, it really has more bass punch than usual, but I'm not really sure if I'm used to that. And also control starts at double tap, so yeah, double tap, 1 2. All right, and okay, sometimes the taps don't register. And 1 2 3, it's gonna be to the next song. Okay, that's pretty fast. And on the left side, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Okay, I feel like the bass, right, it's quite dominant. It's not quite bass heavy, but it's very present and lifted up. So I don't know, what should I feel about it? Maybe if you like bass, we'll see if this fares any good. And I will definitely tell you that in the coming weeks as I make the full review of this. And also I will compare it with other earbuds, similarly priced ones. Let me know down in the comments below, what do you want this to compare to? But so far, I think I like the AirDots S more. Oh, by the way, the sound that it makes, yeah, the sound that it makes turning on gaming mode is the same as the Buds Air Neo. As expected, it's the same chip after all. It has like kind of car starting sound that indicates you are into gaming mode. And okay, so let's check out the latency test right now. Here I'm going to compare different songs of different genres, and I'll tell you exactly what is different and which one I prefer the most. All of the songs here are in my review playlist, which you can find in the description below. And let's start with the first song, Enter Sandman by Metallica. This is a rock song, and I can say this for slow rock songs as well. Both of these sound great, and I think it depends on your preference. Alright, so that's the end of the video. What do you think? Should you get the Buds Q or the AirDots S? In my opinion, I think the AirDots S still has the better sound quality there. Despite the sucky control, its gaming mode is a force to be reckoned to. But still, I think this is a good earbuds if you want something like a good balance between AirDots S and the Halo GT1 Plus. I'm not sure though, but anyway, look forward to the full review later on in the coming weeks because I have to review a lot more products before this. It is giveaway time, so let me explain why I do this giveaway. And even though this is not my favorite pick, but I'm sure a lot of you will appreciate what the Buds Q offers here. It's not a bad earbuds at all, though I still personally recommend the AirDots S. But since we are featuring this, I'm gonna be buying one for you as an appreciation and gratitude for my channel reaching 30,000 subscribers soon. Thank you so much for all of you who have subscribed and supported me through this past year. I'm so grateful for that. My life forever won't be the same again because yeah, we have such a good community here and I love it. I love you guys. So about the winner, because I have one ordered already like since last month, I hope it will come soon. And for that, I will pick two winners. One is internationally and the second one is Indonesian only. This one will have to wait until my package from AliExpress comes, and this one I will just straight up order for one for you. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'm at @NameKen. You can see it right here. And yeah, I'll make it so that if you follow every social media that I have, your chances of winning will be higher. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the video. Good luck everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I am Kenneth and I am going to see you in the next one. Yeah, that's it. I'm broke. Jangan masukin.